Hello students, today I tell you the answers of lesson 1 Historiography Development in the West. I sent you exercise before. I think you all students found out the all question answers. Today I tell you correct answers and you have to cross check with your answers. I send you photographs of these questions. We take second questions. Explain the following concepts. Dialectics. Here is the answer. In order to understand the true nature of thing, one needs to know both true and false, similarly good and bad. This method of analysis, which is based on opposites, is known as dialectics. Second question, Annales School. For this question, you have to write whole paragraph of this. At the onset of the 20th century, a new school of historiography arose in France, which is known as Annales School. Annales School gave a new direction of history writing. It was recognized now that history is not only about the political events, kings, great leaders, and accordingly politics, diplomacy and wars, but also about the climate, local people, agricultural trade, technology, means of communication, social division and their collective psychology, etc. in the historical times. The Annales School was started by French historian. It is a main point in the filling lines. It is a main point. The Annales School was started by French historian. Then third question. Explain the following with its reason. Historical research was driven to focus in depth on various aspects of woman's life. Here is the answers. Feminist historiography means the restructuring of history from the perspective of women. The writings of Simone de Beauvoir helped in establishing the fundamental feminism. It drove historical research to focus in depth on various aspects of women's lives such as their employment, their role in trade union institution, working for their causes, their family life, etc. Here is the answer. Next, Foucault called his method the archaeology of knowledge. Here is the answers. Foucault drew attention to the fact that archaeology does not strive to reach the ultimate historical truth, but attempts to explain various transition in the past. Foucault felt that explaining the transition in history is more important. He called his method the archaeology of knowledge. Here is the answer. Next, 4 question. Answer the following in 25 to 30 words. What is historiography? The answer is here. What is historiography? The writing of critical historical narrative is known as historiography. A scholar who writes such a narrative is a historian. The historian cannot include every past events in his narrative. The inclusion and interpretation of historical events by the historian often depends on the conceptual framework adopted by him. His style of writing is determined by that conceptual framework. Here is the answers. Next question is what did René Descartes insist upon? Here is the answer. René insisted on verifying the reliability of historical documents by critically examining them. The rules given by him in his book Discourse on the Method, the following is supposed to have a great impact on the scientific method of research. Here is the answers. Now, third question. Why is the Voltaire said to be the founder of modern historiography? Why is the Voltaire found? Here is the answers. Voltaire opined that along with objective truth and chronology of historical events, considering social tradition, trade, economy, agriculture, etc. was equally important in historiography. It gives rise to thought that understanding all aspects of human life is important for the history writing. Thus, it is said that Voltaire was the founder of modern historiography. Okay, we complete here fourth question. For fifth, complete the concept chart. I will send this image.